Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Oh my God, you guys, stop scrolling. Seriously, I just found my dream kitchen and I need to tell everyone about this Modern Tudor meets organic vibe. This is absolutely insane. This kitchen is totally giving sophisticated earth goddess, you know? Look at this color. That deep, rich olive green cabinetry, it's not just green, it's subtle, it's luxurious, and it's so chic. And the stone? Wow. The island alone, it's this huge slab, probably 8 feet long, with these dramatic dark veins running down the side. It's like a waterfall of luxury. Honestly, it's a game changer for the whole room. And the ceiling? We're talking 10-foot-high ceilings with those dark exposed beams, right? It makes the room feel so grand, but still cozy. Seriously, that stone hood over the range, it's like a fireplace for cooking. It grounds the whole space and looks so rustic and expensive. You know how some modern kitchens can feel totally sterile and cold? Or how Tudor style can sometimes look stuffy and dark? This design fixed all of that drama. It brings in so much natural light through those huge windows, I swear they're like 6 feet tall, so it never feels dark. And the olive green cabinets give you all the warmth and storage without any of the boring clutter. It's functional and drop-dead gorgeous. Dream home definition. Honestly, I could live on this island. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.